Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to archive and unarchive Trello cards and lists quickly and efficiently. Open your board and click on the card you want to archive. In the card details, click Archive. This hides the card but doesn't delete it, so you can always bring it back later if needed. To unarchive a card, go to the three-dot menu or Settings, scroll to Archived Items, find your card, and click Send to Board. Your card will be restored to its original place. To archive a list, click the three-dot menu at the top of the list and select Archive this list. This hides the entire list along with all its cards, keeping your board clutter-free. To unarchive a list, go to Archived Items, switch to Lists view, find your archived list, and click Send to Board. Your list is restored with all its cards intact. And that's it. Archiving and unarchiving cards, or lists, is a simple way to keep your Trello workspace organized and flexible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Trello tips.